When most people dream of a Bugatti Chiron, they picture sleek curves, roaring engines, and the scent of leather so luxurious it practically says, "Do not touch." Me? I saw this a tired, beaten-up beauty that looked like it had been through a demolition derby. And lost. Why a Chiron, you ask? Well, when you're a car enthusiast with big dreams and a wallet that says, maybe you should settle for a go-kart, you take what you can get. But for me, this wasn't just any car. This was the car. The one that hung on my childhood bedroom wall. Except that one didn't have rust spots, or a mysterious smell coming from the trunk. They say never meet your heroes. They're right, but no one said you couldn't fix them up. Step 1? Cleaning. And let me tell you, there is nothing glamorous about scrubbing bird droppings that have probably been there longer than my entire career. I've seen fossils in better shape than this paint job. But hey, who needs a spa day when you've got a pressure washer and a strong will to survive? Next came the parts. Now, replacing a Bugatti's turbocharger isn't exactly like swapping out batteries in a remote. It's more like performing open-heart surgery. If the patient were worth millions and you're using tools you borrowed from your neighbor. Every step was a mix of excitement and terror. One wrong move and I'd either break the car or my spirit, probably both. But then, there were the victories. The first time the engine purred, the way the new paint glistened under the lights, and the moment I realized I hadn't electrocuted myself installing the new wiring. Small wins, but they kept me going. This was it. Months of work, countless late nights, and more coffee than any human should consume, all leading to this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, we have liftoff. Hearing that engine, it was like a symphony, a choir, and a rock concert all rolled into one. I'd never felt more alive, or more relieved that I didn't have to call a tow truck. The first drive? Oh, it was magic. The kind of magic that makes you forget every scraped knuckle, every sleepless night, and every moment of doubt. The engine hummed like it was saying, "Thanks for bringing me back to life." Restoring this car wasn't just about the Chiron, it was about proving to myself that I could take something broken and make it whole again. Sure, I'm still finding grease under my fingernails and my bank account might be crying, but every second was worth it. So here's the takeaway. Sometimes life gives you a fixer-upper. It's messy, it's challenging, and it might make you question your sanity. But if you stick with it, you'll find that the journey, grease stains and all, is half the fun. And who knows? Maybe your next big project is just waiting for you, probably under a pile of dust and bad decisions. So this is it. Now go to my channel and subscribe, and also like the video, and do let me know in the comment section. On which car should I upload a video next? Goodbye.